App available for iPhone and Android that helps identify what types of plants you have simply by taking a quick picture of it. It will search through its database of 585,000 plants, and if that doesn't do the trick, you can upload a picture to the community forum where other users will be able to help. The app identifies flowers, plants, cacti, succulents, and mushrooms within seconds. To get started, open the app and give it access to your camera. Then, simply position your camera and snap a picture of the plant that you wish to identify, and you'll see how it shows you the results right away. You can click on the results and view more information besides the name of the plant, and then you can also save it to your favorites. It will save it to your device's location along with the picture to help the app catalog the location of plant species throughout the world. You can also identify photos from your photo gallery. Tap the gallery icon and select the photo you want to submit. The same thing will happen. It'll come up with the definition of the plant and all the information about it. There's a community section on the app where you can create posts to share beautiful pictures of your plants or even to ask for help in identifying plants that you weren't able to. It might take some time to receive a response, but it's a great feature within the app. Next time you're on a hike or maybe in a different city or state, you can use this app along with your family as a learning tool.